Hello, my name is Angela Johnson. I am one of the instructors at Louisville Beauty Academy, a Kentucky state-licensed and state-accredited beauty college with almost 2,000 graduates. Our graduates are impacting the Kentucky economy by an estimated $20 to $50 million annually, and that number is still growing. Congratulations on completing your 750-hour beauty instructor program. You are now ready to take the next step, which is the Kentucky Beauty Instructor Licensing Exams administered by PSI. The licensing exam is not just about passing, it is about proving that you can teach and protect the public. Safety and sanitation are 100% the foundation of the exam. Every question, every procedure, every evaluation will connect back to protecting your students, their clients, and the public from harm. As a future instructor, you must be able to teach specific step-by-step safety and sanitation procedures. This includes correct disinfection methods, proper tool handling, preventing cross-contamination, setting up a safe workstation, and following Kentucky board laws without exception. Here is your path forward. First, we send your completion to the Kentucky Board of Cosmetology. The board can take up to 10 business days to process, and PSI may take another 10 days to email you your official eligibility notice. Once PSI approves, you will schedule your theory exam. The written test focuses on instructional methods, Kentucky laws, classroom safety, and above all, sanitation standards. You must pass theory before scheduling your practical. Your practical exam will require you to demonstrate safety and sanitation at every step. This means constant hand sanitation, disinfecting tools before and after each procedure, proper draping, and safe disposal of waste. If you do not maintain proper safety and sanitation during the practical, even one critical mistake can result in automatic failure. You get 3 attempts for both the theory and practical. If you fail 3 times, state law requires an 80-hour refresher before you can try again. After 2 more attempts, if you still do not pass, you must wait 3 years. At Louisville Beauty Academy, we go beyond compliance. We give you live practice, digital Milady instructor resources, and one-on-one feedback so you can pass with confidence. We will train you until safety and sanitation are second nature, because as an instructor, your job is to pass those habits to every future beauty professional you teach. Come visit us at either of our 2 campuses, centrally located on Bardstown Road and in the South End at Harbor House. We welcome walk-in tours during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also text or email us anytime. We speak your language, and we proudly serve as Kentucky's most affordable, most flexible, and multi-award-winning beauty school.